have a surprise for you today. Something small.
Really?
Yes, just close your eyes till I tell you to open them.
Robson, come on. Why do you want me to close my eyes? What do you want to do?
It's a surprise. Just close your eyes. You can now open. This is for you, Mara.
What? My phone?
Yes. You can explore it. It's all yours. You know, I wanted to make it easier for you to communicate with me and your friends at school.
Oh my God. I can't believe it. You mean I'm taking it now?
Yes, of course, you're taking it.
Robson, this must be very expensive.
That's how much I love you. I want to make you a nice girl, a smart girl at school, envied by everyone.
What will I tell my brother? What do you want me to do, Robson?
You're a smart girl. You're a star girl. I told you. And you should know what I want. I want everything, of course.
I really don't understand. But don't you have a wife?
Oh, I know you want a nice phone, nice clothes, taking you out, and of course, teaching you how to drive. But don't worry. I have to go now.
Okay. Thank you for my phone.
You're welcome.
WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram. Wow, I can't believe this. What's the excitement about? You're working like you want to fall? What did he tell you? Robson gave me this phone. You can't believe this. Wow. Is it yours? Or just a son? Daisy, this is my phone. He actually said he loves me so much and wants to do more things for me. You have to be careful. I think you already know what he wants. You must be careful, my friend. There is nothing much. Robson is just my friend. Your friend? Please, Namara, be serious and take care of yourself. No one can give such an expensive phone. Trust me, you'll have to pay for it. I think you're jealous, aren't you? Instead of being happy for me, you're scaring me. Who doesn't want nice things? The guy is even handsome. Let's go home first. I'm going to spend the lockdown at my brother's place. Don't know how we shall be able to meet again. Good thing my brother was doing that day. Maybe we can meet during the day before he returns home.
Manay kudambilek. Of my Robson talking about out. Hey. Timanyi tugenda ka. Banazagenda saa kamoja. Leka day what? No weekend. Tugenda pound 2.
Papa, whose phone is that? Tell me I'm your brother. Is it your friend's phone? Oh, it's still new? Tell me everything you need to know. I'll also call Dad and tell him everything.
We should get done here. I have to go before my brother gets home. Curfew is also around the corner. It will be hard seeing you again if my brother doesn't find me home.
Oh, you're right, actually. I'll drop you. Let's get going right away.
That will be nice. We should go fast so we can meet again tomorrow.
You're right. We'll be fast, but I have something for you at home. Let's pass by, then I'll drop you.
Your home?
Yes, my home. Remember? I told you I want to give you everything that a girl wants.
No, we can't go there now. Maybe some other time.
You don't trust me?
Maybe some other time.
I told you I would drop you before your brother returns back home. Remember, I want to give you everything, make you happy all the time. And you must get in something new every time we meet.
I'm not sure what you're going to do at your house, really. Ngambire chokubonza chani.
Awol, ndikakutie na. Let's go home in just 15 minutes. Tuja kula tumazi.
Promise that it will only be 15 minutes.
Of course. Tugenda.
Daisy, have you seen Namara?
I saw her earlier. It seems she was going to meet her friend, but I'm not so sure.
Namara! Namara! I'm overwhelmed by your laziness and sleeping these days. I don't know what has come over you. Imagine sleeping at this time of the day. So you're pregnant? Oh my God. I knew it. I knew it. This laziness is nothing normal. Nkakugambira kwegendesereza muno tuwampulirize. Now look at mess you put yourself into. You look at you. Look at yourself. Did you not think about where we come from? Think about school. Your future. Tell me, who is the guy? Who is responsible for it? You don't know? Who is supposed to know?
I really don't know what you're going to do. I told you, Namara. You thought I was jealous. Yet I was caring about you. I don't know what you're going to do for sure. But don't worry. I have a solution. I know someone who can help. Hello?
Hello?
This is Namara.
Namara from where? I don't know you. And I'm called Namara. Actually, I'm with my girlfriend. Stop disturbing me. One of me.
Namara. Namara. Can you hear me? Namara. Namara, no. Namara, no. Namara, I can't make this. You shouldn't have done this, Namara. Yes. No.